Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the if statement to know whether the value is positive, negative or 0. You can see here that I have taken some numbers and in this number you will find some positive number, negative number and 0. Okay, and if this number is greater than 0 then you will find here positive. If it is less than 0 then you will find here negative, and if it is absolutely 0 then you will find here 0. Okay, so how to create this? To create this, at first of all I have to go to the developer tab and Visual Basic, and I have to insert a module. I give the module name as sub if statement, and then I have to declare the variable that is div rng as range, and then for each cell in range, the range starts from the cell A1 to cell A24, A1 to cell A24. Okay, so range A1 to cell A24, and then I have to give the if statement if cell dot value, if this value is greater than 0. If this value is greater than 0, then what happens? Cell dot offset bracket start 0, 1 equal to positive. Okay, and I will copy the code till this. I'll copy it and I will paste over here, and instead of if I give else if, and I change the sign, that is less than sign, and in place of positive I give a negative. Okay, and at last, if it is not positive, if not negative, then what happens? Then else I will copy this, that cell dot offset negative, I will copy it and I will paste over here, and instead of negative I give it 0. And as I have used if, so I have to end if, and as I have used for loop also I have to end for loop, that is next cell. Okay, and now I will move to the, if I run this macro, then you will find the changes in the worksheet. Okay, so I will go to the insert and I will draw shapes over here, and I go to the edit text and run macro, and I will increase the size of this font, and then I will go to the right click on it and assign macro. I will go to this workbook and if statement, that is module 2 that I have just created now. Okay, I click OK. Now if you want to remove the grid lines, if you want to go to the font section, that you can also do that, remove the no outline. If I click on this macro, then we will find the changes in this range. Okay, so I click on this button, you can see in place of you can see that 65 is a positive number. If I make it minus 65, and if I now run this macro, then we will find here it is negative. You can see it is negative. Suppose you can see it is 32, it is a positive number. If I make it 0, you will find here it will be also a 0. Okay, instead of positive you will find 0 over here. So I run it, you can see it is 0. By this way you can use the if statement according to your choice. Okay, this video is till this. Thank you all.